sisters are getting 11,000.
No, my lord, that compulsion appointment is based on the declaration. While submitting the application, they have to give. What are the, that is I have mentioned in my objection statement.
They have given a declaration that
Declaration. See, I mentioned that page number 3 of my objection statement, my lord. Our declaration.
Kindly see, my lord, in the application, my lord, that is what they are relying on. Page number, my lord, 23.
The competent authority had not applied. The same was conveyed to the petitioner as per annexure sheet to the writ petition, stating that it is not possible. As per the particulars declared by the legal heirs of the deceased employee in the application, the 3 daughters are in the employment, drawing emoluments of 12,000, 3,000, 7,000 per month, respectively. The eligible family pension is rupees 7,380 per month, along with the dearness allowances, 6,288, and total it comes 17,980. Is presently drawn by the spouse of the deceased. It is also declared that the petitioner had completed Bachelor of Degree of Mechanical Engineering. He was Bachelor of Engineering and he was drawing the salary. Salary may not be much, 11,000 salary. He has declared from this private firm. Now,
declaration given by you.
There.
My lord, declaration, my lord, kindly appreciate, my lord, page 23, my lord. Whether, my lord, the salary, my lord, which you are getting, my lord, would meet the, my lord, the financial condition was good.
Previous,
Please, my lord.
their contention is in respect of pension. Pension cannot be. Everybody will be
again, my lord, this time also they have considered the pension again.
Early the rate.
No, kindly, no, that is what, my lord, kindly see, my lord, the statement of objection.
Endorsement al ತೋರಿಸ್ರಿ pension ಎಲ್ಲಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ರಿ
ಎಂಡಾರ್ಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 12,000 ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ 7,000 ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ 11,000 ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಬಟ್ 49,000 ಟೋಟಲ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ
ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ
including pension. My lord, that chart I have given, my lord. Your lords may kindly see, my lord.
No, pension cannot be included. What is that earlier this court order and your
No, my lord.
all benefits cannot be included.
My lord, in this regard, 2025, 4 months back, the Honorable Supreme Court consulted all the judgment pertaining to compulsory ground, and they say these are all the things to be included. Just I'll give you, my lord. Now you got the earlier decisions. One except one case where the Central Bank is there, it is before the larger branch. In all the cases they have given, including that they have also mentioned. Lordship may kindly see.
No, your scheme itself says excluding that.
That is 2015.
You are still today. That is the scheme.
That is a scheme, my lord.
Even excluding Adro, that person is working.
No, see,
my lord, now
you calculate their income excluding that benefit which is given under that employment. After that, you decide. That's what this court said. Again, you are
making the same.
Even then, excluding that, my lord, for this now that page number 5. Page number 5, learn if you kindly see.
Which is that endorsement annexure?
Lord, 58. 58. No, Tonodi. That is endorsement.
Yes.
Page number 5. Page
58
number 5. Let me read, my lord. Interest at 9. These are all the things that we included. Interest at 9.10% on the net terminal benefits, 7,226. And pension you will leave, my pension you will not will talk much.
No, all interest to all retirement benefit cannot be included. That is your scheme, Mr.
No, but that now no, not retirement benefits. But our scheme says, my lord, now
scheme elri ತೋರಿಸ್ರಿ ಎಲ್ಲ
ಅಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಕೀಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಪೇಜ್
scheme. Six.
Employee scheme received that benefit under that various welfare
schemes.
Application for compulsory appointment.
Just for appointment or
Shall,
compulsory.
however, not be rejected merely on the ground that the family of the employee has received the benefits under the various welfare schemes. While considering the request of the appointment on compulsory grounds, a balanced and objective assessment of the financial condition of the family has to be made, taking into account its assets and liabilities, including the benefits received under the various welfare schemes mentioned above, including benefits.
Only pension cannot be included.
Only pension. Pension now, my lord, that is one thing, my lord. Now, another thing, my lord, that Supreme Court judgment says, now these are all the things now after 10 years. If you give the employment on compulsory ground, That means it is against public recruitment policy, because they say that the Honorable Supreme Court says, my lord, that you cannot take the person. On that day, he was in financial crisis. If you give the punishment, and this one judgment I produced along with my, this man one.
Lord,
that-
2015 was the
Supreme
date
Court
of
case, my lord.
death. I made an application immediately. They took
No, no.
2 years to consider the my representation. I approached this honorable court that set aside and remanded back to my lord at the hands of the bank. They issued the my lord endorsement again, set aside and remanded back to my lord at the hands of the bank. They issued the my lord endorsement again, my lord, in the 2020.
Matter remitted
So
back
it
to
is
the hand of
at
the
their
bank.
my lord, the instance my lord delay has been caused.
Consideration scheme of excretia in lay of appointment in case. it has to- Scheme of the band's time of 2003. Scheme of the band's time of 2003.
Mahesh Kumar is very clear, my lord, any my lord, the pension.
Now you, let us also getting in a compassionate amendment shall be person very stage.
Pension, other benefits, my lord, that were obtained out of the, my lord, the, on the account of death, my lord, cannot be equated, my lord, kindly see, para 13, page 50.
First scheme ನೋಡ ಅಂತಾರೆ scheme ಏನು ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ extract ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು 45 ಅಲ್ಲಿ. An application for compassionate funds shall not be rejected merely on the ground that family have received that benefit under the various welfare scheme. Considering the request of the appointment of the compassionate balance and object assisted. Various welfare scheme. Various welfare scheme.
ಅದು ಹೈಲೈಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಪ್ಯಾರ 9. ಅದು ಹೈಲೈಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಪ್ಯಾರ 19 ಗೆ ಮಹೇಶ್ ಕುಮಾರ್
Welfare scheme.
ಅದು ಹೈಲೈಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಪ್ಯಾರ 19 ಗೆ ಮಹೇಶ್ ಕುಮಾರ್
Under
ಕೇಸ್
the various welfare scheme mentioned. Read that and an application, page 46.
46.
An application for compassionate appointment
Please.
shall however not to be rejected merely on the ground that
That the family of employee has received a benefit under the various welfare schemes will consider the request for appointment and compassionate grounds. A balanced and, my lord, that is what, my lord, the rule 7.
no,
That says.
no, a balance and
Objective assessment of the financial condition of the family has to be made, taking into account its assets and liability, including the benefits received under the various schemes mentioned above, and all other.
that benefit is also that benefit is also taken into, and they have to see that balance.
My lord, objective assessment has to be made, my lord.
Yes.
But, my lord, subsequently, my lord, Mahesh Kumar's case, my lord, where, my lord, para 19.
As extracted above, it is indicated that application compensation should be rejected. Family has
Should not be
received
rejected
that
on the ground the family has received the
Yes, welfare
benefits.
scheme is balanced and that object assessment is required to be met. It is considered the offer existing clause which fall full of the scheme of rejection. Application for compassionate appointment was placed before the request.
The second endorsement, my lord, in so far as the, my lord, para 19, if my lordship kindly extracted, my lord, Mahesh Kumar's case.
Yes.
Contention of, in so far as the contention of the appellant bank that is getting family pension and also obtained, the timely benefit in our view is of no consequence in considering the application for compassionate appointment. That is the law laid on.
No, see,
Please.
pension and also obtaining the terminal benefit in our view is of the no consequence was considered. It is depending upon each scheme. In their scheme, it can be considered, but it should be in a balance.
Please, my lord, but here, my lord, earlier point of time, they consider, my lord, the pension and other, my lord, benefits and rejected my application. This court found that, my lord, that is not correct. They have not challenged, my lord, the order of this honorable court. They again
Yeah.
reconsidered, my lord, saying that, my lord, issuing the very, my lord, the very same, my lord, the
Oh,
endorsement.
they have to be assessed, including that pension benefit and all, and including that number of family members who are depending, whether it is sufficient to their livelihood. That
And
has to be-
size of the family has to be seen, my lord, whether the assets and liabilities has to be seen, my lord. Lord, here is a case, my lord, except a, my lord, house, my lord. There is no other, my lord, the landed property which belongs to the, my lord, the family of the petitioner, except a
Yes.
house, my lord. And, my lord, as of the date of the death of the, my lord, the deceased, my lord, the all three, my lord, daughters were not married at all. They were not married. And subsequent to that, my lord, they were married after their application is made. After their application is made, they got married, my lord. And this fellow, my
They
lord.
have not said that they are married. They said they are also earning. That is what they said.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತದೆ ಮದುವೆ ಅಂತ ಬಂದಾಗ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ some expense has to be made towards the marriage. ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So therefore, my lord, some benefits they receive, my lord, out of the, my lord, the terminal benefits that has to be spent, my lord, spent towards, my lord, the marriage expenses.
Such as the presence of.
Those objective assessment has to be made.
Yes.
Lord ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಖರ್ಚು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ಬೋದು ಮದುವೆಗೆ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇವ್ರು ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಮಿಲಾಡ್ ದ ಪೆನ್ಷನ್ 10,000 ಪೆನ್ಷನ್ ತಗೊಳ್ತಾರೆ.
Yes. Pension ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ?
That is the, my lord, the view taken by the, my lord, the apex court in Mahesh Kumar's case.
No, see, Mahesh Kumar case is different. Here is the scheme. When there is a scheme and
But in
rules
the
is
scheme
there,
doesn't say,
court
my lord.
cannot go beyond that
Yes,
legislation.
my lord. Even in the scheme also, my lord.
For this court said, pension cannot be considered ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ. It has to be balanced.
ಹೌದು.
That is what that said.
My lord, what they say, my lord, by now, so section 7 ಅಲ್ಲಿ, subclass 19, section 19, subclass 7 ಅಲ್ಲಿ, an application for compassionate appointment shall however not be rejected merely on the ground that the family of the employee received the benefits. At one set, my lord, scheme would say,
Here where you are reading?
my lord, page 76 ಅಲ್ಲಿ,
76 of your.
my lord, petition. That is the scheme, my lord. That is their scheme, my lord, which is, my lord, existing as on today.
Yes.
An application for compassionate appointment shall however not be rejected merely on the ground that the family of the employee received the benefits under the various welfare schemes. Welfare schemes, my lord. Pension is not included there.
Read further, Mr.
Please, my lord. While considering the request for compassionate appointment on compassionate ground, a balanced and objective assessment of the financial condition of the family has to be made, taking into account its assets and liabilities. Please, my lord. Including the benefits received under the various welfare schemes mentioned above.
ಮತ್ತೆ that has to be considered.
My lord,
but there
welfare
should be
schemes, my lord, welfare schemes, my lord, it's not included in the pension. Pension is not a welfare scheme, my lord.
No, Mr. Counsel, benefit received under that various welfare scheme mentioned above. What is mentioned above is where you are saying excluded, that here said that it can be included,
Lord,
but there should be a balance.
Lord, the welfare schemes, my lord, kindly see, my lord, what is welfare schemes, my lord, here?
Where is that says that pension cannot be included in this scheme?
Look, it is not, it is silent about that, my lord.
Then
Pension,
where
as
is
far
that-
the pension is concerned, my lord, that is silent.
Where is that earlier High Court directions? Pension has to be excluded.
Please, my lord. Lord, what, my lord, this court, my lord, relying on the decision of the apex court in Mahesh Kumar, this court said, my lord,
No, now,
please,
see that benefit under the scheme, is it includes pension? Benefit received under that various welfare scheme mentioned
Houdu.
above. What are that welfare scheme mentioned above?
my lord, in the scheme, my lord, if your lordship kindly peruse.
What are that welfare schemes mentioned above, mister? Is it there in any other provision? Termination of service. Which is that welfare scheme, mister?
My lord.
According to your scheme, that,
Page number 2. Now this 49,000, that is, you have mentioned that as per the declaration given by him.
no, you forget. Now we are seeing everything has to be decided on that scheme.
Staff welfare fund, 2,46,000. Gratuity, page number 2, gratuity.
No, Mr.
death relief,
Counsel.
leave encashment.
This is your scheme. Page 76, you said
Yes, my lord.
excluding that relevant factors, liabilities, including that benefit received under that various welfare scheme mentioned above. Which are that welfare scheme mentioned above? You have to be pointed out that. Whether that has been included or not, you have to be seen that. Whether it includes pension or not. That is what that point.
The scheme doesn't say that, what are the welfare schemes, my lord?
Is it that scheme says that pension is included or not? You have to say, mister.
Yes, my lord. Tell, because I'll produce now. My lord, before that, my lord, one thing, my lord, now this policy, one judgment of the Supreme Court. What they say regarding this also, what they say, because it is not that, it is the whole first case, my lord, in this case, page number 20, your lord, kindly see my para number 20.
No, if there is a scheme and the rules, we have to be see under that scheme and the rules.
That
I will answer that Supreme Court judgment, don't worry.
No, my lord, I'll give my lord that.
Here, you yourself has framed the scheme.
Yep, in the scheme, they have not mentioned above what is that scheme.
Is it
That, my lord. because
you pointed out that whether
Yes,
pension is included, if
Yes,
it is
yes,
not
I'll get
included, then your
Yes.
endorsement is wrong.
Yes.
That is what that is contained.
Please.
If there is scheme is silent about that, then we can interpret that Supreme Court, you can consider the
Yes,
Supreme
my lord,
Court
that
saying
I'll-
that
because it is
pension
not-
cannot be, Supreme Court said on that fact. If there is a scheme, rule says that you have to give, you cannot be relied on that
Yes, my lord.
judgment.
Yes, because my lord, what would my lord, the subclass 7 say that not at one stretch, it cannot be rejected merely they receives the lord some welfare amount.
No, first,
That is-
Please,
benefit under the scheme, which are that schemes, whether above anta ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ it should be under that rules itself, but I didn't find that, you find out.
Yes, my lord, I find out and.
Yes. Yes, when do you want? 18th.
Next week.
18th.
Yes, my lord.
please, my
Yes.
lord, please.
That is the only a point.
Yes,
You have
yes.
to find out what is that scheme is.
Serial number 31, K. Srinivasa for petitioner, VL Sanjeev.
Serial number 26, interim order
20?
6.
Yes, interim order granted earlier is extended. Yes.
Serial number 31,
Yes, Mr.
So that not, let the other side produce the my lord, the any circular related to my lord welfare schemes.
Yes, let him produce that. That's,
It will there on record.
no, I know that, Mr. I know, yes. Next time
Hearing
I.
for petitioner.
Hmm.
Senior is held up in 13.
Next time
Hearing
I.
for petitioner.
Hmm.
Senior is held up in 13. Court.
What do you
Kindly
want?
pass over.
Pass over.
Yes. Held up in 13. Court.
What do you
Kindly
want?
pass over.
Pass over.
Yes.
4 birds.
Yes, our Sanjeev pass over. He wants to test it. Yes. 22nd. Yes.
serial number 32, Shilpa Rani for petitioner, Siddhartha Babu Rao.
I'm appearing for the petitioners in this case, my lord. This is a cover by judgment, my lord, which proportionate weightage has to be given, my lord. After
Yes.
that, they went for a Supreme Court and Supreme Court is dismissed, my lord. This may be disposed of.
Yes, give that facts. Earlier,
Facts, my
Siddharth
lord.
is coming. Yes,
Petitioner-
give the facts.
Please, my lord. Petitioner working as a teachers in the second respondent institution, my lord.
Hmm.
Later, they have participated in 2011, my lord, notification issued for the recruitment, my lord. Petitioners are.
ನಾನು ಎಂಟೈರ್ ಇದು ಹಾಕಿಲ್ಲ ಬಟ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಶೋ ದಟ್ ಇನ್ ವಿಚ್ ರಿಟ್ ಪಿಟಿಷನ್ ದೇ ವೇರ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ಬಟ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಶೋ ದಟ್ ಇನ್ ವಿಚ್ ರಿಟ್ ಪಿಟಿಷನ್ ದೇ ವೇರ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ
ಕಾಪಿ ಕೊಡಿ, ಯಾವುದು?
Yes.
My lord, this is not applicable to me, my
ಐ
lord.
ವಿಲ್ ಶೋ ದಟ್
ಅವ್ರು
how
ಹೇಳಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ
it is
ನೀವು
applicable.
This is not applicable to me, my lord.
I will show that
ಅವ್ರು
how
ಹೇಳಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ
it is
ನೀವು
applicable.
ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಂತ. Yes.
Lord, may I read the order portion, my lord, first, my lord.
Hmm.
The writ petition are disposed of. My lord, this is only 2011 recruitment notification in concern with that, my lord.
Hmm.
The writ dismissed. The petitioner are not entitled for issuance of any mandamus for regularization or services. It would be open for the state, my lord, or services. It would be open for the state, my lord. That was the issue, my
No,
lord.
see, in the rules you have deleted that portion.
Howdu.
That has been
My
challenged.
lord, they were party in that.
Challenged.
No, they were challenge. They did not choose to challenge the amendment, my lord.
Hmm.
They were seeking a same relief in that writ petition, my lord.
Claim for the petitioner for grant of weightage between 2011 to 13 till the date on which regulation with regarding to the weightage stood deleted, stand dismissed. What
My
is
lord,
that?
that is why all the petitioners were in more than 1,200 were filed a writ petition seeking for granting of weightage, my lord. Granting of weightage and appointment to the extent of 2011 notification. That was the issue there, my lord. The same issue is involved in this.
Said that grant 10% weightage and all.
5% weightage.
5% weightage.
Howdu.
Then you have.
23, my lord.
Yes.
May I show that in which writ petition, my lord, he was party.
My lord,
ನಾನು
before
ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ
that,
ಎಲ್ಲ
I would
ನೋಡಿ,
like to
300
take my
pages
lord's
ಇದೆ.
attention.
Madam, let me
Adral
understand
300
My
that.
lord
pages
is
ಇದೆ.
confusing. My lord, I'm not seeking
No, when both are
2011.
arguing, then it is more confusing then. You wait that, yes, let me.
I'm not seeking 2011 to 13 weightage here in this
Let us
case,
see
my
that.
lord. Their own endorsement, page number 158, my
Wait,
lord.
madam, we will hear, yes. Yes.
ಇದೊಂದು ರಿಟ್ ಪಿಟಿಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರ ನೇಮ್ ಇದನ್ನ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ.
ಯಾವ್ದು
ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಎಂಟೈರ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಟಲ್ ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಹಾಕಿಲ್ಲ.
ಆಯ್ತು, they are also party in this.
They are party.
In this writ petition.
Earlier writ petition.
You are also party in this writ petition, madam.
In that writ petition, my lord, they are seeking 2011, 12, 13 weightage. Here in this writ petition, my lord, my own respondent number 2 is issued the endorsement saying that, my lord, not give a weightage for the year of 2009, where I have 2007 to 8. That year weightage not given, my lord. Hence, they have issued the note
No, I am asking
endorsement.
that 2011 to 2013,
No.
this court said you are not entitled for the weightage. Why?
Means 2011, 2013, my lord, weightage has been deleted. Hence, after 2011, 12, 13, the weightage they are not giving, my lord. I am not seeking 2011, 12, 13 weightage, my lord. I am
Earlier,
seeking
there wasn't a rule granted for a weightage. That is why.
notification issued in the year of
That is
2011,
not
my
the issue, my
lord.
lord. It is only clarified this,
My
this
lord,
under the,
may
the-
kindly
the
come to
judgment
page
which
number
clarifies.
150.
Madam, I understand.
Whatever
See,
relief they sought earlier, my lord, that was already issue is settled by this judgment, my lord, because in 800 and odd, 1,200 people were filed a writ petition seeking a weightage and appointment to the, in that recruitment notification. Really, they sought before in this writ petition, it is not only these two petitioner, like
No, 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 I will-
1,200 petitions
See,
were sought.
now by deleting,
Out.
you are saying that, is it a prospective or it has to be from the date of that insertion of that provision?
My lord, that is, this court has said that from 2011, no one eligible for weightage. That is
What
clear, my
about
lord.
the 2010
That we have given, my lord.
She is saying that it is not given in
Yes, that is only why I am telling that. That is the question arisen in this writ petition. It is not only these two writ petitioner. It is only like more than 1,200 writ petition. They filed a writ petition where this is the order of outcome in that those writ petition. Now it is already issue court. They cannot file another writ petition by seeking same relief. That is I am asking. If at all they are aggrieved, if at all they are aggrieved at that judgment, they would have filed an appeal.
No, there they have challenged only deletion of that rules from
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ
2000.
ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ.
Where is that writ petition?
Lord, I will show that, my lord.
What are the ground they have raised? Now you are
I-
saying that only a res judicata.
ಹೌದು.
That is what your argument. Then you will see that what is the pleading in
I
that.
will give that prayer what they sought in that writ petition, my lord. It is there, but cost title 300 pages ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಅಷ್ಟೇ print.
ಅಲ್ಲ. Our writ petition ಅಲ್ಲಿ pleadings, if you want to say that in res judicata, whether all this ground has been taken,
ಹೌದು.
that they are entitled from 2009 and all.
That we have given, they were below the cutoff marks, my lord. They have challenged saying, lord, they have challenged saying that we are eligible and give a weightage, we will.
Where is that writ petition, madam?
My lord, I like to take my lord's attention to the page.
But it is rejected, you can't file another writ petition.
My lord, this
Don't
writ
shake your
petition-
hand, you produce it and show it.
My lord, this,
Writ petition.
my lord, this
Don't
writ
shake your
petition-
hand, you produce it and show it.
My lord, this writ petition is filed in 2022, my lord. This writ petition, my lord, the annexure, my lord, may read, my lord, their own endorsement
madam.
says that.
See,
Here, now, my lord,
Lord,
I
I
am
will produce
succeeded
that-
before Supreme
Lord, I will
Court.
produce that writ petition and this thing, my lord.
My lord, now I am
Will produce
succeeded
that.
before Supreme Court and this covers the Supreme Court. This writ petition is challenging proportionate weightage, my lord. In that writ petition, prayer is, may I read the prayer, my
yes,
lord?
heard issue rule, we will hear that. Yes.
My lord,
Yes, we'll hear, madam. Yes.
any date may be fixed, my lord.
Yes, leave this matter in second week of October. Yes.
Serial number 34 adjourned, serial number 35. R. Shashidhara for petitioner, N. Praveen Kumar. Serial
Yes.
number 35.
Petitioner. See, the writ petition, my lord, all the petitioners are retired employees of the Gram Panchayat in Chitradurga district, my lord.
Hmm.
My lord, their retirement benefits, my lord, given representation to settle the retirement benefits of the petitioners, my lord.
Yes.
And Rashtra, kindly see the annexure A1, my lord. Annexure A1, my lord, this is the instruction given by the Jilla Panchayat Chitradurga to the Talak Panchayat.
Yes.
Wherein, my lord, next page, serial number 10, my lord,
Yes.
in respect of first petitioner is concerned.
Yes.
Bin Virbadrappa Nivritti Neerganti,
Hmm.
ತುಪ್ಪದಳ್ಳಿ ಗ್ರಾಮ ಪಂಚಾಯತ್ ಹೊಳಲ್ಕೆರೆ ತಾಲೂಕು ಬಾಕಿ ವೇತನ ಹಾಗೂ ಉಪದಾನ ನೀಡುವ ಬಗ್ಗೆ.
Yes.
In these writ petitions, my lord, all the writ petitions, all the petitioners, my lord, requested same relief from the respondents. Since they are retired from the service, my lord, even after retirement, they not settle the retirement benefits, and also there was some arrears of salary to the several petitioners.
Yes, Mr.
Let them consider and
The employees.
the principal employer is
The
Jilla
statutory
Panchayat,
corporation under the
Gram Panchayat, they have to secure the records, information from the Gram Panchayat. When you have worked, what is your appointment and all. What records, information from the Gram Panchayat. When you have worked, what is your appointment and all. Why you have not made Gram Panchayat as a party?
Gram Panchayat, several different petitioners, they worked in different Gram Panchayat.
also
All
belated.
Gram Panchayat has to be made.
Pertains to Jilla Panchayat Chitradurga.
Has to
all
say.
No, Jilla Panchayat will pass any order in terms of that recommendation made by the Gram Panchayat. You make Gram
Let
Panchayat.
them consider the request of the petitioners. Now itself I
Belated
made
claim
all
also.
the Gram
They
Panchayat.
retired in 2018. This is for salary benefits. It's
Not only salary, all the retirement benefit also. They have not settled the
Then let him
retirement
limit
benefit.
his prayer only to the retirement benefits.
Only retirement benefits.
Retirement and arrears of
I
salary.
will concede that there is no limitation for retirement benefits.
If arrears of salary and all has to be examined only by that your employer, whether it is given or not on that particular time.
Yes.
You make them as a party by filing an application. Implement them all Panchayat.
Date may be given, my lord.
No, first you file application, Mr. Then, without filing an application, get, what is that?
File application.
Yes. Application file ಮಾಡಿ, move ಮಾಡಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ notice ಹೋದ್ಮೇಲೆ you give the date. Yes.
WP number, next writ petition, my lord, serial number
Serial number 39 is
39
also.
also similar.
Same, ah?
Please.
Yes. Urgent by 2 weeks.
Serial number 36, Jagadish and HS, Jagadish Gaud Patil for petitioner, Nayanatara BG.
Yes. None
I
appear-
appear for the respondents, my lords.
None appear for the petitioner. Leave this matter after 2 weeks.
Serial number 37, Prakash MH for petitioner, B and Jagadish.
Please.
For the respondents.
Yes.
Lord, I would like to convey the Lord, I would like to convey the facts which leading to presentation of this petition. Lord, during 2013 and 14, the government has floated minimum support scheme in which in the district of Chitradurga, there was a scheme for purchase of the maize from the directly from the farmers.
Yes.
The first petitioner is the regional manager, and this husband of the second petitioner, was the internal auditor of the respondent number 2. My lord, the payment to the farmers were to be made through account payments facilitated through the State Bank of erstwhile State Bank of Mysore, and only upon the concurrence that required to be taken by the petitioners, I would refer it for this purpose. The payments were to be made to the individual farmers.
Yes.
To some extent, my lord, there was a double payment, despite there is no concurrence by either the first petitioner or the husband of the second petitioner.
Yes.
My lord, at the earliest point of time on 9/6/2014, annexure A, my lord, may kindly turn to page 11. The first petition, the second, the husband of the second petitioner, having noticed this disparity, has addressed to the State Bank of Mysore regarding double payment, and the required action immediately that were to be taken so as to make good the the deficit. Lord, if I had to draw my lord's attention to the second paragraph, in order to facilitate the payment to the farmers for wrong account number, IFSC code, etc. till this date. However, on scrutiny of statement of account on 31/5/2014 to our Shaka, the balance is shown at 2,29,697, where it should be 50,49,150 as per our records. When this discrepancy was brought to the notice of AGM concerned with the facts and the figures, he has not at all taken it seriously and casually replied that it was not his problem but ours, and we have to reconcile that account and intimate the mistake to the bank. The pass sheets supplied by the bank do not contain either account numbers or name of the beneficiary. Under this circumstance, now we can can one reconcile No one can reconcile accounts with the transaction to that extent of rupees 64 crores taken place. He insisted that the balance showing in the system was correct and there was nothing he could do in this regard. When asked about the huge variation in closing the balance as per our records, the system did not give satisfactory reply. Hence, we request your immediate intervention in this case and instruct the AGM, SBM main branch Chitradurga to take up a matter seriously to initiate. Case was not made out. Lord, without accepting this report, Lord, the second respondent has passed an order for second inquiry. Lord, this is at page 37, annexure H. Lord, in the meantime, the the husband of the second petitioner was retired, and an amount of rupees 8,22,193 at page 38, annexure J, was deducted, which was the probable amount, the conduct, which is the alleged to be the interest. Now, my lord, may kindly come to page 39, annexure K, which is the report in the second inquiry. But in this inquiry also, my lord, the inquiry officer hold that the lapse is on the part of the bank which has disbursed the amount, and no case is made out by the corporation so as to indicate against the delinquent employees, the petition number 1 and the husband of the second petition. Now, taking exception that the second report is also not on par with their expected line, the second respondent has passed an order directing to recover the said amount from the terminal benefits of both the petitioners. My lord, in the meantime, I would like to point out from the records that at page 58, annexure N, the corporation has sought opinion from the panel advocate regarding the aspect of how to recover the same from the State Bank of Mysore, wherein and the calculation is made at annexures, R page 70. 50% of the amount, 12,26,816, and 8%, further 4.5 lakhs. So more than up to 17 lakhs was the amount deducted. Now the second respondent has passed the impugned order. I would like to draw my lord's attention to page 75, the second paragraph. Sadari prakaranadalli nigamada hana, got it, my lords? ಸದರಿ ಪ್ರಕರಣದಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಗಮದ ಹಣ ಹೆಚ್ಚುವರಿಯಾಗಿ ಪಾವತಿಯಾಗಿರುವ ಮೊತ್ತ 25,33,097 ವಸೂಲಾಗಲು ಬಾಕಿ ಇರುತ್ತದೆ. ಈ ಪ್ರಕರಣದ ದಾಖಲೆಗಳನ್ವಯ ಏಪ್ರಿಲ್ 2014 ಮಾಹೆಯಂದೇ ರೈತರಿಗೆ ಎರಡನೇ ಬಾರಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚುವರಿಯಾಗಿ ಹಣ ಪಾವತಿಯಾಗಿರುವುದು ಕಂಡುಬರುತ್ತದೆ. ಈ ಸಂಬಂಧ ಆಪಾದಿತರ ವಿರುದ್ಧ ಶಿಸ್ತು ಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಮಾರ್ಚ್ 2016ರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೈಗೊಳ್ಳಲಾಗಿದೆ. ಈ 2 ವರ್ಷದ ಅವಧಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಆಪಾದಿತರು ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ನವರಿಂದ ರೈತರಿಗೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚುವರಿಯಾಗಿ ಪಾವತಿಸಿರುವ ಹಣವನ್ನು ವಸೂಲು ಮಾಡಲು ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಕ್ರಮಗಳನ್ನು ವಹಿಸಬಹುದಿತ್ತು. ರೈತರಿಗೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚುವರಿ ಹಣ ಪಾವತಿಯಾಗಿರುವ ಸಂಬಂಧ ವಿಚಾರಣಾ ವರದಿಯ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಆಪಾದಿತರು ಬಾಧ್ಯಸ್ಥರಲ್ಲವೆಂದು ಕಂಡು ಬಂದರೂ ಸಹ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿನ ಖಾತೆಯ ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿಯನ್ನು ಹೊತ್ತಿರುವ ಆಪಾದಿತ ನೌಕರರು ಹೆಚ್ಚುವರಿ ಪಾವತಿಯನ್ನು ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿಂದ ವಸೂಲಿ ಮಾಡಲು ಖಂಡಿತವಾಗಿಯೂ ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರರಾಗಿರುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಈ ಪ್ರಕರಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಆಪಾದಿತ ನೌಕರರು ನಿಯಮಾನುಸಾರ ಸೂಕ್ತ ಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಕೈಗೊಳ್ಳುವಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಫಲರಾಗಿರುತ್ತಾರೆ. ನೌಕರರಾಗಿ ನಿಗಮದ ಆರ್ಥಿಕ ಹಿತಾಸಕ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ಕಾಪಾಡುವುದರಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಂಜಾಗರೂಕತೆ ವಹಿಸಿರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಇದರಿಂದ ನಿಗಮಕ್ಕೆ ಆರ್ಥಿಕ ನಷ್ಟ ಉಂಟು ಮಾಡುವಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪಾದಿತರು ಗಂಭೀರ ನಿರ್ಲಕ್ಷ್ಯ ತೋರಿರುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಈ ಹಿನ್ನೆಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಚಾರಣಾ ವರದಿಯನ್ನು ಒಪ್ಪಲು ಸಾಧ್ಯವಿರುವುದು. Or any other officer next to him, because we have requested the bank. No, this is the
no, by reporting itself, is it your ends it with your duty?
No, I don't want to make.
If there is any excess has been paid under that rules, who has to recover that?
In fact, kindly come to page 14, annexure C. The managing director himself has written letter to the deputy general manager of State Bank of Mysore. My lord, kindly come to page 14.
No, unless you show that it is not your duty,
please,
under the rules. Otherwise, that finding we cannot be given another this thing.
Kindly come to last paragraph.
Page.
Page 14. This is the letter addressed by the second respondent. Your branch officers and our officers have jointly issued letters to the farmers to return the excess amount to the bank. It seems that bank officers have not made serious efforts. Amount have not been returned yet, even after lapse of several months. Therefore, you are requested to confirm the excess payment and please intimate whether double payments are made due to negligence of the branch officials to take necessary action in this matter. Because I can't in the lower grade of the corporation.
Where is his right to recover that amount?
No, my lord, that is not the point here, my lord. So without their duty, my lord, is to reconcile these payments on every date.
No, there
Statement-
cannot be any excess depositing in.
No, my lord, there was a statement given to the.
Yes, I will come back at 2:30.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Very
Lords, kindly, serial number 38, respondent. Lord, we are filing our statement of objections today. Serving the copy of the learned counsel, my lord, may be taken up next week, please.
You are appearing for?
Respondent.
Have you informed the petitioner? Yes, he wants time to file objection, Mr.
Serving a copy of statement of objections, my lord, we are filing it in the registry today.
You serve a copy to him?
Yes, please.
Yes, at the request of respondent. Read this matter on 24th. Yes.
37.
24th, yes. Serial number? 42. You are appearing for? Both of them is agreed. They are for management. Oh, that is the yes. Yes, at the request of respondent number 3. Read this matter on 22nd. Yes. Aurena, yes, read this on same day, 22nd. Yes. Fresh matter. What is that matter? Eighth, we'll see if it is when pendency, if they have done it anything, we can set right Monday, 8th. It's high. 8th. No, we will have it on, let them conduct an interview. We will see on 8th. Let us see on the 8th, Monday. Tomorrow it is full, 8th, yes. No, if they have, in spite of court order, if they are given an interview, if it is satisfied on 8th, they will say that not to issue an appointment order. We'll say, yes. 8th. Yes.
Court officer?
Sir. 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 43 ಗೆ ಅರ್ಜುನ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ?
ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ?
Just now ಅರ್ಜುನ ಆಯ್ತು.
53 ನಾ ಸರ್?
ಸರ್ ಇದು ಸೀರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ 60 ಏನಾದ್ರು ಅರ್ಜೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ?
ಹೇಳಮ್ಮ, ಯಾರು ವಿಸಿಎಲ್?
ಸೀರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ 60.
ಎಷ್ಟು?
60.
60.
ಅರ್ಜೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲ ಸರ್?
ಇದೆ ಅಮ್ಮ, ಇದೆ.